Okay, gas looks good, and we are all set for the day. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another 10-acre farm series. Well, not a series, but episode. So now, last episode, um, remember when I talked about that Ford I wanted to buy? Yeah, I bought it. So now this is it, the Ford Super Duty. Now, unfortunately, Giants isn't doesn't have the it's not copyright thing, but the licensing for Ford yet. Hopefully in the future games they do, but they don't have the branding for Ford. So it's a Lizard, but is technically a Ford. So it's a Ford F 350. I'm guessing because they don't got the F like 350 right here where it usually would be. But but yeah, I got a new Ford, which is probably the newest piece of machinery on this farm. Well, not machinery, but newest item on the farm. So we got a couple things on our to-do list. Horses are still good on feed. Should probably unhook this trailer. And our oats are growing, but there's weeds. Oh, and I never rolled them. Oh, I never rolled the field. Okay. So next season I'm gonna have to buy or rent a roller. So I also got a couple things. So I bought this Stara Tornado 600 MD. Gonna be our solid fertilizer spreader. And I rigged up this contraption right here. So what I can do is I can go like probably purchase a tank and fill it with liquid manure or slurry if you want to call it that. And you put it in this tank and then it just shoots out the back. So that's better than just going to buy a really big tank. It's already pre-built. And yeah. And it was also hard at work rigging up this thing. This is our weeder actually. So what I can do is I drive through the field and it picks up the or not picks up but like pulls out the weeds and it kills them somehow. So or uproots them so that they die. So we can get going on that. So what we do, we unfold this, push over the lever. Okay, and lower it. Oh, and it doesn't ruin the crop. Okay, nice. We go on the map here and look. Yep, shows there's no weeds right there. Actually, I want to look at the fertilizer real quick. Yeah, so when I'm done weeding, or probably call up Dylan, get him out here so he can do this while I run the town and find a tank for slurry and to get that filled. And also, I figured it's about time to take the stocking cap off. Much better for what we're doing. Oh, another thing I need to do. I need to put the corn in here into the dryer, so I also got to do that. Well, first time using the farm truck for something. Close the door. Looks nice. Oh, also, so this isn't about the video, but I just want to point it out for you guys to see like where I come from, or am coming from. So I don't like the screens for the displays. Yeah, I like the screens for that display, like for the radio. I don't like the displays for this, where it shows you how fast you are going. Because if the technology fails, this is just in my opinion, if the technology fails, it's in my opinion, it's not going to work out well because usually on new things like tractors and trucks and cars and all that good stuff, usually what you need to do is you need to go get a technician to work on it. What is this? These people doing? But I have driven some. I have driven like one vehicle with the display like that. It was like a new Chevy Equinox. It's not bad. I just don't like it. I don't know why. I just don't. I'm not like a screen guy, even though I am on a screen right now to bring entertainment to people. Well, over here we got two things. One, this big wagon, which is what we're going to use for like a gravity wagon, so I can find something else. And the one over there, that's gonna be our new bale trailer. Just got to take the sides off, or just fold them down, because I think that's what you can do. So for this video, I have a question for you guys. What series that I've done so far did you like so far? Or because I look at my diagnostics and old videos that I did on Farming USA 2 on my phone, those are still gaining views. I don't know why, but I've been trying to figure out a way to go back to that, but I don't want to because like the main reason I got a PS5 was for entertainment purposes for me and to expand my content. So options are the phone series basically, the Grandpa's Customs. I know I didn't do a whole lot for the 1980 not 1980 series, but the old school series or this series. Or actually the survival farm or this series. I kind of like this series that we're doing right now, the 10 acres, because I don't know what it is. I feels like I get a lot more done. Just pull under the auger right here. I'm gonna have to move those fertilizer boxes because gonna it's gonna fill with fertilizer for some reason. Okay, filling it up. Wow, this thing takes a long time. Okay, we're gonna actually go look over to see how Dylan's doing. I don't see him, so he's probably back there, but I trust him. Are you done yet? Are you done yet? Are you done yet? There you go. See, you just gotta keep asking. Now, how do I get out of here without hitting anything? Okay, so it dumped on that side. We gotta turn around. Huh. Yeah, how much corn can this take? Hopefully all of it. Oh, we take 15,000 liters. Nice. So, okay, so what it does is recipe is 15,000 corn. Okay, so I can't do like any small loads. I have to like one whole. Okay. But yeah, but if it takes away my corn, wouldn't it just be better to just sell it? Hmm, well, that's fun. And I actually have to buy 3,000 liters of corn to actually be able to start a whole recipe. Oh, that's a full trailer, all right. I am now in the negatives. Shoot. So now I gotta go find some place to sell this real quick. Oh, and that should do it. I believe it would. But wait, hang on. But if I did the weeder, shouldn't there be no weeds? Weeds partial. Oh, okay. I think I get it now. So when you weed it, I guess it just takes off the main stuff, I'm guessing. So I might need to go get someone to custom spray this field or something. I'll probably do it off camera. I'll just park it in here for now. Perfect. Okay, well, we still have enough hay to last us. I have to sell it though before it gets bad. Oh gosh, my truck already got dirty. That's fun. Hmm. Yeah, you guys are gonna make me money. And you guys are gonna go someone who's gonna ride you in the free time. I would, but I got too much going on right now. Well, this is still drying. So I got 1,000 liters of dried corn so far. Well, Dylan is still going, but he's gonna come back and take that tractor so he can go spread the fertilizer on the field. Think that should be about it for the day. Well, thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, and goodbye.